Hi and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lauren and this week I'm creating an infinity dress which will be perfect for date nights and special occasions. With Valentine's just around the corner, it will be perfect for that too. It was really quick and easy to make, so let's get to it. Since I was going to create a knee-length skirt for the dress, I picked up 3 meters of this two-way stretch fabric. I potentially could have done with 2.5 meters as I ended up shortening my straps a little. I also picked up some polyester thread to match and a set of ballpoint needles, as this will help protect the fabric in case you need to unpick anything later. I started by folding my material in half, so I had the length that I wanted my skirt to be. The skirt section of this dress is going to be a half circle skirt. If you wanted it to be more or less flowy, you can easily change it to a full or quarter circle skirt instead. Check out my 2 other videos that I'll link below that go into more detail about how to create a circle based skirt. I usually like to use the by hand London circle skirt calculator, which gives you all the details that you need if you just put in your waist measurement and the length of the skirt that you want, which I'll also link down below. Instead of using the waist measurement that I took, I ended up taking about 2.5 centimeters or an inch off of this measurement and working from that number for my waist, since this fabric's very stretchy and it will just help it to sit nicely around my waist. From here I then measured and marked out the length that I wanted my skirt from the corner point all the way round, as shown with the waist marking out. Once I was happy, I cut the waist curve and also cut the circle skirt curve too. I tried my best to make sure that the bottom of the skirt section was as smooth as possible. Since this material doesn't fray, it means we don't have to hem it at the end. To finish off the skirt section, I sewed straight down the 2 open edges, right sides together, making sure the fabric did not stretch in any way whilst doing this. To create the dress straps, I decided on a width of 25 centimeters, which is just over 9 inches. This width might need to change depending on how much coverage you need from the straps, but this width worked well for me. I then just cut 2 long strips with 25 centimeter width out of the fabric that I had left over. I took both straps and marked out 5 centimeters from one edge, making sure that they were mirrored, as this would then become the center front in order to make sure that we were able to overlap 2 sections of the straps. I found the centre front of my skirt by folding the skirt in half with the same back seam as one of my edges, and then I put a clip onto the opposite edge which marked my centre front. From here I took the first strap and matched up 5 centimeter mark on the strap and the clip from the center front, and then clipped the whole thing in place. For the next strap I repeated this same process, but made sure that the 2 5 centimeter sections were pointing towards each other and the 20 centimeter sections were pointing away, as this 5 centimeter section overlap will create a bit of coverage for the front. And then once I'd clipped everything in place, I sewed those down, making sure they were right sides together with a zigzag stitch to keep the stretch in place, or a stretch stitch if your machine has that. To finish off the dress, I just zigzag stitched or stretch stitched the rest of the waist section, and then I was ready to play with my dress. I've seen these dresses all over Pinterest and they've been really popular for a while, and I can't believe how I hadn't made one before now with how quick and easy it was to put together. I really love the short version of the dress in comparison to the maxi style that there is. This is just such a fun and playful dress, and there's so many options to how you can create this dress. Here are just a few of my favourite variations of the styles that you can create, I guess. But there are videos literally dedicated to showing you how to tie these dresses. Thank you for watching this video. If you have enjoyed seeing how to make this, please remember to like and subscribe, and with that I'll see you in the next video. Bye!